First, you need to go browse a window in UPC. After that, type xampp server in the search bar. In the search, click on the first link of xampp server and download xampp file for different operating system. My PC is Windows OS, so I already download the Windows OS file of xampp server. Now I'm going to download folder in my PC for install the xampp server file. Here it is showing some instruction, but you don't need to worry about this thing, and click on the next button. Here it is showing different program that it is installed in the system. So click to the next button. Don't need to worry about, you can save a path where you want to install xampp file. Select the language preference. It takes some time at this moment, so you can take a cup of tea at this moment. Simply click on the Allow button, click on the Finish button, and your xampp file is installed in your system. Click on the Start button of Apache and MySQL, so you can use the server of Apache. After click on Start button, you can see your server is running on IP address and port, which are showing on the screen. So type the instruction showing on the screen. If it is showing this window, it means your server is successfully running. You can also see My Admin window at the top section of the A. Click on it. You can see here IP of server. Thank you for saw the video. Subscribe the channel for technical video.